आणि आता पुराय खबरो. घरगुती नैसर्गिक गॅस कनेक्शना संबंधात मुखेलमंत्र्यान सोमारा संबंधित अधिकाऱ्या वांगडा बसका आपयली. सोमारा सुमार 300 किलोमीटर क्षमतेचो 120 कोटी रुपयाचो प्रकल्प जातलो आणि ह्या प्रकल्पाक लागपी निधी केंद्र सरकारा कडल्यान येतलो म्हूण मुखेलमंत्र्यान माहिती दिल्या. फुडल्या वर्सा भितर गोयच्या लोकांक घरगुती गॅस कनेक्शनां मेळपाक शकता म्हूण तांणी मुखार म्हटलां. पणजेच्या RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगेज.
जस्ट वन कमेंट ते गॅसीच्या वयर सर तुमची मिटींग हा म्हटला पळय गॅसीच्या हेजेर
Yes, there are some difficulties they are facing
okay
in order to lay the pipeline. So it's a meeting for sorting out the issues.
Sir, how much it will benefit the state because it has been
Because you will get a piped gas at the home, no?
by when it can start and all.
I think by the target is to start it by end of 2018. But they have some issues where they need assistance. Therefore, that there is a meeting.
What will be the longer distance as far as this?
No, Mapsa, Fonda. I think work in Fonda has started.
Yeah.
Taligaon, Panje, the work will start. So if you get a pipe gas, you don't require. It is cheaper also. You don't require the cylinders.
Okay.
इथून सर ते सगळे झाला
सगळे झालं.
It is for some they are facing some different types of difficulties.
But
Digging permissions.
by when it can be in place, sir? You
In a
expect?
year's time, I think there will be some commercial release.
So it can be started by in a year's time.
Mapsa is one of the first probably, and Fonda.
Oh.
So it will go on slowly going to the other.
And when you say cheaper, sir, how much it can be?
Much cheaper actually. It is almost about 30-40%, according to my information, 30-40% cheaper than the LPG. More it is convenient and less risky.
Any idea like by when government would like to release connections for this type of
Like
thing?
government,
They private.
we are only helping them to put up.